Namaste, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection. I'm a Vastu, Astro Vastu, Numerology, Mobile Numerology, as well as switch words, visiting cards, and logo card design consultant. Uh, Today, we are going to cover Southwest direction, the directions for relationships, skills, as well as the Pitrus Sthan. As you can see in this particular example, there is a cut. This area is cut, so energy is being disturbed, as well as there is open area and the gallery here. So the dark shaded area is the southwest zone. Good that they have a bedroom, but only the certain part of the bedroom is coming in southwest, while the majority is coming in southwest. So not recommended for the family member to sleep here, but guests can sleep because south of southwest is disposal zone, so it will create lots of health issue. Anyway, coming back to the southwest zone, so this particular area is cut, so the energy is disturbed. This is the zone for relationships. So ideally, one should put family pictures, family photo in the golden frame, as well as if you are in business or factories or offices, then have the team picture in the golden frame in this particular direction, as well as if you want to learn new skills or develop a new skills basically, then you should sit in this zone as well as place the subject related material in this zone. This is also the zone for the Pitrus, and Pitrus zone is southwest as per the Purana. Many people put Pitru's picture in a temple. That's not right way, because you are insulting Pitrus and as well as the god and goddess that you have on your home temple. So Pitru's zone is southwest. Put their picture here in this zone from center to the boundary here. So anywhere you can place the picture of the Pitrus, but do not put it in any other directions. Pitrus blessing comes from the southwest directions, and Pitrus blessings are very important in all aspect of our life, be it marriage, success in business, success in any ventures, as well as relationships. So highly recommend that you put your Pitrus picture here in this zone only, and make sure that you do not hang Pitrus फोटोज कई बार मैं विजिट करता हूँ तो देखता हूँ तो पितरों का पिक्चर लटकाया हुआ रहता है. So for example, if this is the Pitrus picture, then you should have the support at the bottom so that they are resting on some sort of glass or wooden frame. Don't put it just don't do not hang like this. So always have some support at the bottom of the picture frame. Uh, Avoid white colors as well as blue color, water element, space element in this zone. This zone should be kept heavy as much as possible. Many people have put flag in this zone because generally, as per the Vastu norm, the south should be high, south and the west direction should be high, and the north and east should be low. So, like this is south and west, then the north and east should be low. This is very important zone in terms of everything. Entrance in this zone is very, very negative, but there are remedies available. To energize the this zone, we have the perfect remedy for this. For that, you can get in touch with us. Thank you very much, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.